Still off the punt, barrel number 2. Down for barrel 1. Hang on to it. Broken out there. He's out by 1.5. He's out by 2.5. He's out by 3. And that is, I think that is James Smith, Green Nation. That's Shelly Burns. And she's out by 4 complete lengths right now. Backing along here is the Elk Pit. That is Jordan Vandale. And here comes Jalen Garode Challenge in heat number 4. Outflying on the front end of heat number 4. Man, she's up here in a hurry. And she's going to come back in a hurry. This is James Smith, Green Nation. This is Shelly Burns. She did a job on the barrels, and they're out there and moving now. I don't think they're going to catch her today. They're trying to close the gap to RBR now, ever so slightly. It's all Shelly Burns. She's going to lead this one wire to wire. Third.